Have you noticed? The biggest economic handover of our lifetime isn't happening where most people think. While the world keeps staring at China's slowing engine, another giant is quietly taking the fast lane. And it's not just catching up, it's changing the rules of the race. If you're in the US, Europe, or Australia, this isn't just global news. It's the story of who will dominate trade, innovation, and influence in your lifetime. The country setting the pace in the 2030s will decide what products you buy, how much you pay for them, and even which languages and platforms dominate your screen. In the early 2000s, China was the miracle everyone was watching. Factories working around the clock, double-digit growth, cities rising from farmland in just a few years. But here's the shift. China's growth is slowing. Birth rates are falling. Debt is climbing. The export machine that once fueled the world is losing momentum. Now look south. India just became the world's most populous country. It has a median age of just 28. That's 10 years younger than China's. And it's not just about more people. It's about more workers, more consumers, more ideas, all coming online at the same time. Picture this. In China, factories still hum, but wages are rising and manufacturing is moving out. In India, new tech hubs light up the skyline. Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune, each buzzing with startups, engineers, and AI labs. By 2030, India's working-age population will be nearly 1 billion people. That's a workforce bigger than the US, Europe, and Japan combined. China still has the bigger economy, for now, but India's GDP is growing at over 6% a year, while China struggles to hit half that. Foreign investment into China has fallen sharply. Into India, it's surging. Apple's manufacturing, moving to India. Global chip makers, opening plants in India. This isn't theory, it's already happening. But here's what most headlines miss. India's rise isn't just China's loss. They're building very different empires. China is top-down, central planning, huge infrastructure, fast execution, but also heavy control. India is messy, loud, chaotic, yet democratic, with a growing middle class that loves to spend. Which model works better in a world of AI, decentralization, and shifting alliances? That's the billion-dollar question. And for you, whether you're a student, an investor, or someone just wondering what the 2030s will look like, this shift changes where opportunities are born. If you were in Silicon Valley in 1995, you saw the internet boom. If you're watching Mumbai in 2025, you might be seeing the start of the next one. So here's the question I want to leave you with. When we look back in 2040, will we say China passed the torch willingly? Or will we realize it was taken, quietly, while the rest of the world was busy watching something else? What do you think? Is India about to win the 2030s? Or is China still holding the cards? Drop your take in the comments. I'm curious where you see the balance tipping. Because if history has taught us anything, it's that the winner doesn't just shape the game, they write the rules.